Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skylanders on an emulator. First, you'll need to choose the right emulator for your game. For Wii or GameCube Skylanders titles, Dolphin is an excellent option. If you're aiming for PlayStation 3 games, RPCS3 is a strong contender. Always check that your computer's specifications meet the emulator's minimum requirements to ensure smooth gameplay and avoid performance issues. This initial step is crucial for a successful setup. Next, you'll need to acquire your Skylanders game files. These are typically ROMs or ISOs, which you should obtain legally from your own game disks. Crucially, you'll also need a physical Skylanders portal of power. This essential peripheral connects to your computer, usually via a standard USB cable. The portal is what allows your physical Skylanders figures to interact with the emulated game, bringing them to life on your screen. Once you have your emulator and portal ready, it's time for configuration. Open your chosen emulator and navigate to its settings menu. Here, you'll want to optimize various options for the best performance on your system. Don't forget to map your preferred controller inputs, whether it's a keyboard, mouse, or gamepad. Additionally, your computer might prompt you to install specific drivers for the portal of power. Ensure these are installed correctly. Finally, you're ready to load your game and begin playing. Within the emulator, select the option to load your Skylanders game ROM or ISO file. Once the game starts, simply place your Skylanders figures onto your connected portal of power, just as you would on a console. The emulator will recognize them, and you can dive into your favorite Skylanders adventures, battling villains and exploring vibrant worlds right from your computer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.